One thing we know here at Action Coach is that a success journey is a learning journey. I'm here today to talk to you about the 5 books that I believe you need to read in order to take your business and your life to the next level. Firstly, we've got 7 strategies to wealth and happiness from Jim Rohn. Now, Jim Rohn is an absolute legend of the self-development area. If you've not heard of Jim Rohn, get on Google, YouTube, find out more about him, but most importantly, read this book to give you the clarity you need to create a business and life that makes the most sense to you. The second book here, Traction. Amazing book, setting out the frameworks that you need to implement across all parts of your business to ensure that your business has structure, rhythm, and clarity for both you and everybody in it about where you're heading, and most importantly, how you're going to get there. The third book here, Seth Godin, This is Marketing. Now, Seth is an absolute legend of the marketing world, truly understands what it takes to emotionally connect with your target market. Again, Seth has a whole suite of books, but for me, This is Marketing is an absolute classic. This book, The Second Mountain by David Brooks, is a more spiritually focused book about how as entrepreneurs, we often set out to achieve things that we believe are going to make us happy, i.e. the first mountain, but when we get there, we realize that self-actualization and giving back and creating a legacy is what truly matters, or the second mountain. And finally, the founder of Action Coach himself, Brad Sugars, Billionaire in Training. From a mindset perspective and a strategies perspective about how to truly grow an amazing business, you can't beat this book. As well as these books, at actioncoach.co.uk, we've got a suite of blogs, videos and articles purely designed to help you as a business owner grow a business that's going to give you the life you want. Head over to there and also use our Coach Finder tool to find somebody local who'll be able to help you achieve the life of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.